Nice trade, Mohammed.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Thank you. Holding right up around the highs. ES, same story over there. University of Michigan sentiment number coming at you here on Top Step TV. Please be a big one. Let's get some volatility. Let's get this thing rocking. 53.5 expected. Actual is 52.9. 52.9. A little.
Long only 2.
Mohammed, back in.
No. I'm out only of 3 contracts.
Oh, you only
was in
3?
5. I took profit only 3 contracts. So I'm trailing 2. I have runner.
Really?
I'm trailing my stop as we move higher like this. You can see this is trailing.
Your 600s, Dakota.
79.
I know, Andre. This is those 600s.
Yep. Very nice cut. All right. Mohammed got in long 5 micro ES. Shave 3 in for profit. Now long 2. A little bit of a runner. Just printed new high 68, 87 half. And the ES and Q popped off that Michigan over. Came a little worse. Market decided to go higher off that. Right, man? I would.
Right back up against the October 10th high.
Which market?
NASDAQ.
600. Okay. And gold. Gold looking to, man, oh man, gold turning around off that sell. About a buck off the highs there. Yeah, that was weird. Gold 43.68. About a buck off.
I'm trailing my stop at the last green candle in the 2000 tick chart. So you can see these 2 candles. The runner, this is how I manage my runner. It is not the best way. This is just my way, which I see it very comfortable for me. So last 2 candle, I just trail my stop to it. And how many times I see the market just goes until the end of the day without breaking the last 2 candles. So my stop for this trade is 68.79.
Okay. Hey, Mo, let me ask you something. How do you determine how in what increments to trail that stop? What do you go off of?
Come again?
No, how in terms of trailing your stop. Okay, you're locking in profits along the way. It's going to be a winning trade. How do you know how far to trail the stop? How far to move it up as the market goes higher?
As I said, I'm using my 2000 tick chart. So these candles are 2000 tick chart. So if I'm long and I already at my target and I expect a correction, okay, but sometimes the market just zombie rally. So if decided to zombie rally in my way, I retrail for every 2 last green candle.
I see.
Every 2 last green candle. My stop. I'm not looking for swings. I'm not looking for structure. I'm looking for only candles, green candles. Trail it as you go. If it's breaking the last 2 candles,
got you.
You are out of this trade. Doesn't mean it is invalidated. You look for the next trade.
Sure. Makes sense. I like it. Good stuff, Mo. We did just print some.
But in a condition that it has to be in the money, and at least it guarantees the 1-to-1 of your risk to reward. Remember, my 1-to-1 is at 68.78 somehow. That was my 1-to-1 risk to reward. So as long as the last green candle low is higher than my 1-to-1 on my original trade, so I keep trailing that. So I'm guaranteed my initial take profit, and then even my stop profit is 1-to-1 of that trade. I'm out, by the way.
Yep.
I'm out now. I'm looking for the next trade plus $170.
Well done, Mohammed.
I'm in 583.
Short?
Yeah. We tagged the 600.
Tell me you're short, Dakota.
5.
583. Okay.
I love how you laughed. You laugh, Andre. We
No, you
tagged the
know why?
600,
No,
and
100%,
now here
100%.
we're pulling back.
Promise.
We're
No.
pulling back
Hey,
here.
you see your setup. You see your setup. You take it. 100%. Look at the Dow.
It'd
Dow
be the
just
one I don't
popped.
take.
Yeah.
It's like small loss, small loss, small loss, and then
Sitting
I don't
another
take
long.
one, and that's the
Sitting another long right now. Touching the moving average, giving a strong green candle. I will be in at 68.84 and a half. So that my stop market buy 68.84 and a half.
Oh, you're trying to catch it.
It's the
Half. Okay.
trigger of this green candle.
Yep. I
If
see what
no
you're doing
trigger,
there.
I'm not in.
yeah. This looks good.
I like what you guys both did there. Hamid was looking to get along, but was going to let the catch the momentum push to the upside. Mohammed's flat.
Yep.
However, if we did get
Exactly.
push higher here, we're trading 68.80 in the ES. We did catch another bid and pop into the 68.84. Would have gotten long with the momentum.
Yeah.
Did not
I'm
get
off.
that trade canceled. Okay.
Yeah. I'll wait for the next green candle now. So as you can see, my green candle didn't trigger. No trigger for this green candle. No trigger. My order was waiting here for a momentum going higher. No trigger for this one. Rejected by strong red candle. Now I will wait for this candle to close strong green.
Mm-hmm.
Not strong enough. Not strong enough. So if there is a buyer, I will see them.
You'll get with them. You'll get with them. Cody, you're short from 82s, 25,582, correct?
Yeah, 82.
All right. We're trading 5,553 right now. And gold. There goes gold. Looking at about a $30 turn, $25 turnaround. The last 15 minutes or so, we're trading 43.75 now in gold. Someone jumped on the buys there.
All right, now Zach, let's see if we get down to those 500s.
Turn this thing around. Will they turn this thing around? And we got Michigan out of the way. We're in the clear in terms of numbers now. Again, we'll keep you posted if anything does hit the wire, hits the headlines. Stay tuned to Top Step TV. We'll give you those headlines here in real time. But keep an eye on this gold. Well, what a turnaround. When Hogue gets back and sees what that gold price is, everyone just watch his face.
Yeah, I know.
Everyone, when he comes back on here, watch his face when he takes a look at gold prices. See if he swears to himself on mute. He's gonna say something. It should be funny. Looking at the ES, about a 10-point pullback there. And we got the bottom of the hour in about 23 minutes or so. All right, tip of the week. This is a new one for me because I just got here. What is tip of the week here at Top Step? Top Step, massive risk management. Absolutely. Use a stop loss on every trade. Know your daily loss limit. Plan your risk before entering your trades. Plan your risk before starting the trading day. Take it one step for absolutely master risk management. It's a must. The name of the game is longevity, and that is done through managing risk. Right, the longer you're in this, profits take care of themselves. You got to manage your downside. You saw it with Dakota. Cut a couple trades there short, keeps them alive, keeps them in the game for the day. I like that. Master risk management. Very, very important. It's crucial. It's everything.
Yeah, we came within a few points of me closing off a couple right there. I am looking for these 20s first. Close off a few, and we bounced.
We got gold 43.77. I can't wait for when Ho gets back here.
We might get back to 4,400 in gold.
What do we get to 4409? Yes, all-time highs in gold, by the way, 44.37. Call it about $60 away from that. 50-50 on the tilt. In the chat, so we got calls gold going to 4,400. Okay, we got about $22 to go there. Take a look at the NQ ladder. Anything jumping off? No. Pretty thin right now. Yes, haven't seen much big size just yet. Always a possibility for that with expiration and roll. quad witching on the same day. Should be an interesting one to say the least. Gold continuing to stay strong. Mohammed, did you pull the bid? Did you pull that bid?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Dakota, what are you looking? What was that? Target for downside here. What do you?
490s, 500 for my my main target, but I want to close off a couple contracts if we get a breakdown through these 30s.
Right.
This market, yeah, Nvidia is pulling off, so I'm a little surprised we're not getting that deep pullback already.
There's no stings. There's no single stock. Yeah.
Yeah, if I wasn't sure, I would probably be short again from this area. Like this is looking like we should get a pullback here.
I like that. If I was flat, basically what he's saying there is if I was flat, what would I do? What would the trade be? What trade would I take? What trade would I take?
Same position. Yep.
I'd take a quick peek at 10-year yield. It's right around 4.14% or so. Just chilling. Yeah, 4.14%. Fed funds. Let's take a look at Fed Watch for that January. When is it? January 28th Fed meeting. Okay, 80% probability of a pause. So I have about 20% probability of a 25 basis point cut. A lot can change. A lot can change between now and then. Right now, nothing too much change there.
Jack.
I know. I don't know. Jack, I thought it was triple witch too. I think it is. Again, bottom of the hour, we will get those initial balance high, initial balance low prices. What are those, you ask? Simply the highest price and lowest price trade in the New York session in, well, NQ and ES. Jot those down and work off of those for now.
Nvidia is still pulling back down, and Nasdaq's holding up good, which I think we could see a flush here. I'm seeing what I want to see.
Yep. I see. I smell some weakness of the buyers.
Okay. Getting to the 30s. IPT catching a bit